welcome back to a new video. This video is gonna be a week in my life. It's currently Monday. This morning I went for a walk. Didn't really feel like going on one, but mental health. So I did like an hour walk, I think. It was pretty nice actually. It made me feel better. And then after I came back home, took a shower, washed my hair because it was really bad, and did a few things on the computer. And now, well, I just hung up. I was on FaceTime with my old colleague, my amazing friend. We chatted for about an hour, I think. And I'm leaving pretty soon. I have a nail appointment and I'm very excited about it because it's been a month and I'm not sure you can tell. Yeah, you can tell the growth is quite something. However, I loved the color. It was the kind of Hailey Bieber nails, but they're too long. I can't do anything. Like even like when I'm texting, my nails kind of keep, it's really annoying. So I'm just getting them a little bit shorter and changing the color. I think I'm gonna go for a nude, something like brown or pink or something, I'm not sure, but something pretty simple because I love that it goes with everything. I love the two ones I did before. One was more like neutral. It was just like a nude with a flower design on it, and the other one was French tip but different colors and didn't go with everything. But whatever I'm wearing these neutral nails, it's great. So I think I'm gonna go for a neutral, and for October I'll go for a fall theme color because right now it still feels like summer. It's sunny all the time, which I love, but it's still pretty hot. I think it's 32 degrees still today and tomorrow, so not great. So that should be really nice, a little bit of a change. And then I'll come back home and I'll see what I'll do, because if you didn't watch my previous video, my I'm back video, I did a little bit of a catch up and telling you that I'm no longer working where I used to work. I just decided for my mental health, for me to kind of, I don't know, feel better about the whole experience, kind of close one chapter and begin another one feeling better. I just decided to take a couple of weeks off for myself, and this week is my second week of doing that. So I'm kind of organizing myself a little bit, but I'm also resting because I do feel that my brain needs for me to kind of slow down for a little bit. Back. Why am I this short? I'm sweating. I did my nails. I love them. They always do such a good job where I go now, so I'm very happy about that. The plan for tomorrow. In the morning at 9:30, I have like my yearly endocrinologist appointment, and it's an hour and a half away, so we're going to have to leave pretty early because there's a lot of traffic here in the morning. Don't know, we haven't decided what time we're gonna leave, but I'm not excited. And then in the afternoon, because my boyfriend took the day off, in the afternoon we're probably going to IKEA because I really want to buy a few pieces of furniture. Mainly, I need a no desk because this one is not deep enough like that way. And so it means that I cannot like put my entire forearm on it just so that it doesn't hurt my back. And also my screen is pretty large, so I'm way too close to it, so I would like something a bit farther. I also want to buy a bookshelf because it's not okay. I only have like 10-20-ish books here, and that's not okay because I have way more books. I actually have 2 bags full of books that I got from my parents, so that I can put in there and it'll feel a bit more cozy. I don't know, I love the vibe of a bookshelf. It makes me very happy. Also for the living room, we are working on printing a few of our photos from our vacations, kind of doing a little collage, montage. There's a word for it. What is it? Gallery wall. We want to do a gallery wall, but we're just working on the sizes and where to print and where to buy just the frame, because there's one website that does like the printing and the framing, but the framing is way more expensive than what I've seen on Desenio, so I'm not sure. So I want to like look at a few things just so that we can have an idea of how much it would be. And we're also thinking about whether we're doing just one wall first, like the gallery wall first, see how it looks, see if the quality these nice and then do the other wall, or if we're just doing everything at the same time. So we're just thinking about that. And I want to get like a few pieces like plants, candles and stuff like that for decorating a bit more, but we'll see. For tomorrow, the priority is really the desk, and I would like the bookshelf. The rest we'll see. I've seen a few things that I love on Maison du Monde. It's a bit expensive there, but it looks really nice. So we're seeing if there's something a bit more affordable at IKEA. And that's it for tomorrow. I'll probably be very tired because I get tired super easily. It's gonna be a round trip of 3 hours in the morning. And on Friday, I'm having a friend day with Lorie because I haven't seen her in 3 months and it's been way too long. So I'm excited about that. It's gonna be so fun. We're still thinking about what the plan is for that day, but that's very exciting. And I've been talking for 6 minutes, so I'm gonna stop here. Hi, I think it's like 6:25 or something. We woke up at 6:15, and you know, it feels like the middle of the night when you wake up to go on holiday. That's how I felt when my alarm went off this morning, but we're not going on holiday. So yeah, I'm just gonna stretch, have breakfast, get ready. Came back. We did, I think, 4 stores this afternoon, and we didn't find one thing we wanted. We went looking for a desk for me and a bookshelf. Oh my god, my brain. And a bookshelf, but they didn't have anything that I wanted. So the desks were too small and I didn't love any of the bookshelves they had. We also looked at some TVs because we're looking to change ours in the next few months, and we wanted to kind of see what they had. We like to do our research for very important things to buy. And yeah, oh my god, I had forgotten what it's like to shop on a Saturday when everyone's in town again because everyone, like, you can tell that everybody is back in the city after like the summer vacation and everything. It's like clearly back to school and back to work. Stores were packed, which is why I didn't film that much because it was very overwhelming. Yeah, I'm very bummed that I didn't find anything. I would have loved to have my desk by now because I'm planning on kind of really starting to get back to work next week. And I mean, my desk is fine for now. It's just that I would have loved to be settled. Also, don't have my bookshelf, but there's still the one that I love on Maison du Monde. So I'm thinking that I might order it. We'll see. It's okay. It's fine. We move. I'm going to work on my video right now. For tomorrow, I have a few last minute edits to do, and after that, I need to complete everything. And I think for the rest of the weekend, I'm going to read for a bit. I've been finding it really difficult to read, so I'm trying to kind of, like during the day, not at night, but during the day, I find it difficult to read. So I'm going to try to do that this weekend, kind of get back into the swing of things. So yeah, should be very chill.